Good morning. My name is Joshua Paddock. This is ANP1. It's 4/7/18. We're going for week 5 video lab. Jump right to it. We're going to go with the anterior skull. We have right here front. We give you a side angle a little bit too. So we have the frontal bone right here. The nasal bone is going to be right on top here. The lacrimal is going to be right next to it. And then the ethmoid is going to be right next to that inside there. All right in line. We have the zygomatic right here. Sphenoid right here. The vomer is going to be the middle, little one right in the middle of your nose right there. You have the maxilla bone right here. And the mandible right here. Those are the anterior skull. Moving down the list, we have the posterior skull. Harry, I named him Harry. We have the parietal, so right here, and on this side, we have the occipital right here. We have the temporal bone right here, and your temple, and you have your mandible, which is right here, all the way across, jawbone. Going on down, the lateral skull. So we're gonna get real up close, right here. Again, frontal is gonna be right here. We have the ethmoid. It's going to be kind of deeper in the eye right there. It's just this side, and the lacrimal is right here. It's next to it. And you have your nasal on the front right here. Again, then zygomatic right here. Sphenoid there. It's not on this one, but there's an extra one for you. Sphenoid. Then we have your temporal bone right here, this area. Maxilla right here. Occipital is in the back, once again. And then you have your mandible right here. Going on down. Okay, take the hat off. We have the inferior skull. Cranial floor of the cranial cavity. Going to be the frontal in the front again, right here. Ethmoid is going to be kind of in this area right here. Sphenoid. Going to be right here. Oh, I'm sorry, right here and right here on both sides. No, I apologize. Sphenoid is going to be here and here. That's sphenoid. Here and here. The temporal is going to be right here. Parietal is going to be on the sides, right here. The occipital is in the back. Okay, vertebral column. Okay, we have the atlas right here. C1 atlas is right here. We have the axis C2. Your cervical vertebrae is C1 through 5. I'm sorry, C1 through 7. Axis 1 through 7. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your thoracic vertebra are the next 12 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then from there, below that is going to be your lumbar, the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to have your sacrum, be this piece right here, and your coccyx right here. It's going to be your tailbone. Going on down. Okay, flip Harry back over. This is the thoracic cage. It is the body of the sternum right here. The true ribs are going to be ribs 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Floating ribs 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. Yeah, floating ribs are 1, 2, 3. False ribs 1, 2. They're not attached. Then what else? We have the manubrum of the sternum right here. This piece right here. Going on down. Pectoral girdle and upper limbs. Okay, we have the clavicle right here. Scapula here in the back. Humerus right here. We have the radius, which is attached to the thumb region. and where the bone that goes up nearest the thumb, and you have the anatomical position out like that, that's going to be your radius. The ulna is on the pinky. Going on down. Okay, we have we're going to do the hand now. Hand bones. Try and get some more light in here. But we will start out with the scaphoid. Right here in the back, the big one right here. It's a scaphoid. Capitate's right in front of it. Right there. Trapezium. Over towards the thumb right there. You have the trapezoid. Right there. And the sesamoid, which is right here. Tricrium is right there. I'm sorry, tricrium is about right there. And then the lunate's behind it. Pisiform's right there. Hamate right there. Here's all your metatarsals. I'm sorry, metacarpals. Metacarpals. And then your phalanges, you have distal and posterior phalanges. So here's all your phalanges right there. You have the ilium. It's right here. Ilium. Right here. Your pubic bone. It's right there. The pubic bone's right there. You have your ischium, these guys right here. Your femurs, 1, 2. Then you have your tibias, which are your shin bones, and your fibulas are on the outside. Fibula or fibula, I've seen it written both ways, so fibula or fibula. Alright, and then we got our ankle. Our foot and ankle. We have the first of all heel, calcaneus, the heel bone right here. We'll turn it this way. Next, the cuboid right in front of the calcaneus, right there. Talus, right here. Navicular, over in the front. Then we have the lateral cuneiform. Is going to be about right there, lateral cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and then you're going to have your medial cuneiform right there. You're going to have your metatarsals, which is from here on, all the way across, and your phalanges up here. Okay. Okay, on the back now. Put the hat back on. If I can get it back on. You have your lambdoid sutures right here. Lambdoid suture. We have the mastoid process.